Alright, good day guys and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to update a token's information on Dexscreener. Right, so if you're a developer or if you're a manager, handling a community takeover, right, and you want to update the token information of the project that you're handling the takeover, right, this is for you. This video is for you, right? So for this video we're going to be using Wiki Cards. Although the information has already been updated here, we'll be using Wiki Cat, right? So I'm going to copy the contract address because you're going to need that, right, during the process. And now we're going to scroll to the bottom and claim our Dexscreener token profile, right? So we're going to tap this and it redirects us to this page, right? So you can see now, order now, and there's a discount going on, right? And the current cost is $299, right? You can scroll through this and you can see the process, right? You set token info, fill out the form, you pay, you wait for processing, and then it's done, right? So we are going to order now. So if this is your first time enhancing a token's information or using enhanced token information, right, you would be required to log in with your Google account, right? As you can see, I'm already logged in here, so I'll just go on ahead to go on with filling the form. I'll just go ahead and fill the form, right? We choose the chain, which is BSC. We paste the token's contract address, which Dexscreener will verify. Now you can see that this token already contains enhanced token info, so we can proceed with the community takeover claim to request changes within the token info or inquire about other matters, right? So now this is when community takeover comes in, right? So we don't really want any changes to this, so we won't be doing that, right? So we're just going to input the description. This is a tutorial token, right? So you can see links here. We can add a website, www.wikicat.com, right? So you can add additional links. You can put the icon of the project, right? You can put the icon of the project. We can choose a file from here. I think I have Ethereum's logo with me right here, so I'm going to upload Ethereum's logo, right? And you're going to need an aspect ratio of 1:1, right? So we are just using random stuff here because we don't really want to update the token info. I just want to show you guys how it's done, right? So you can also add additional information on addresses, on special addresses, probably the born address or the developer's address and all that. Yeah, you can also add a Discord username or a Telegram username that people can come back to, right? So now you can see that we've gotten to the end. What you're going to do is you're going to hit the order now button, right? Now you're going to make payments, preferably in Polygon, right? Polygon is is cheaper to make payments with other than unlike Ethereum, right? So you can make payments with Polygon. You just connect your wallet address and you make the payment, right? So I would like to show you guys this thing with a different project, right? So a project that doesn't have updated token info. So let's go and look for a project, guys. So I found a project here. This is Binance Dog. There's no updated token information for it, so you're just going to copy the contract address, head over to the bottom, choose token info, right? So we are going to order now, right? So we're going to choose the chain, which is BSC, pasting the contract address. It's verifying if the token, yeah. So you can add a description. This is a meme, right? So you can add a website, you can add docs, you can add every other thing, right? So you're going to have to make sure you understand all applied data must be verifiable, and you understand that Dexscreener reserves the right to reject or modify the provided information, right? So we order now. Once you order now, it's going to redirect you to where you're going to connect your wallet, and then you make your payment in Polygon, right? So I hope you guys have so much fun trying this out here. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also buy some Wiki Cards to support the channel. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.